1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, Jooba people? This tutorial is brought to you by the Jooba people on the school community. So you guys have suggested this song and I'm so happy you did. It's a really good song. And now we're going to learn it. So download the PDF using the link in the description and then we can get going. So I'm just going to put this mic a little closer. We've got capo on the 4th fret here. And the PDF includes the chords and lyrics as well. Okay. So we've got capo on the 4th fret, and we're going to use our key of G chord, so E minor, C, G, D, A minor 7, and B minor with a flat 6. Really beautiful chord. And then we're going to learn the song. So E minor, simple, C, regular old C, G. You can actually use G with one finger. I'm going to show you the picking pattern in a second. For D, we're going to use the C shape. Moved up 2 frets. Okay. Okay, and then other 2 chords we have is A minor 7 and B minor with a flat 6 note. Very beautiful. Okay, for the picking pattern, we've got this P, I, P, M. That's the main pattern. So if we play an E minor chord, P, I, P, M. If you play it like that, it sounds cool, but it's not exactly like the original. The original uses this second pattern where we have a pinch in the beginning. So you just have, this is the chord pattern, but you add this note with the thumb in the beginning with the middle finger. So you do this little pinch. Every time you change chords. So you only do the pinch when you change chords. So E minor, C, G, D. That chord is not in the song. They actually just use this D. Okay, so that's the 2 picking patterns. P, I, P, M, but you do a pinch when you change chords. So that's very important to get your head around. Then this is the structure of the song. So it's a little bit different in the bridge, but we'll get to that now. So the main riff is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the C is kind of in short, just 2 beats. Okay, and then for variation, sometimes that C will be sooner. So. Sometimes a D. But if you want to practice the progressions, just kind of screenshot that and just play the picking pattern using those progressions. Okay, but let's move throughout the song. I'm just going to play the first verse for you. Intro is wrong, so I'm going to fix that just now. Okay. I signed the papers for a lifelong lease. That's basically for the first part of the verse. Second part, we're going to go to the, and there's a third person walking behind us. Oh, there's this little riff. Let me show you there. So you go G, A, G. For the chorus. So just before the chorus, we have that little riff. So that's the core of the song. Pretty simple. For the bridge, it's like that. In the second verse, they replace the D with a B minor 7 there at the end of the second line. Over here, let me just highlight that, because that's quite nice. You walk through the valley in the beautiful. Walk through the lobby, they'll know your name. It's quite hard actually to play, like if you don't really know the lyrics and everything. But anyway, I think with that, if you know the picking pattern and the chord shapes, you'll be good. Cool beans. Have a nice day. Thanks, Jooba people. You guys are the best.